Hello everyone. Today we will look at the difference between adjective of quantity, which is also known as quantitative adjectives, and adjective of number, also known as numeral adjectives. Let us start with adjectives of quantity or quantitative adjectives. These adjectives answer or tell the quantity of anything. There are two ways to identify adjective of quantity. First is it answers how much anything is, and it is used with uncountable nouns. So adjective of quantity answers how much and it is used with uncountable nouns. For example, he cooked some pasta. How much pasta did he cook? Some. And pasta is an uncountable noun, so some is an adjective of quantity. It is telling the word some is telling the quantity of pasta. Next is, I need little water, please. In this sentence, little is an adjective of quantity because it is answering how much water, little water. Then it is, she didn't have enough cash to buy PSP. How much cash? Enough cash. So it is also adjective of quantity. Next is adjectives of number or numeral adjectives. These adjectives tell about the number of persons or things, or it indicate position or order of a noun in a sequence. Just like the quantitative adjective it also answers a question. It answers how many or in what order. If it tells about the number of persons or things, it will answer how many. And if it indicates position or order of a noun in a sequence, it will answer in what order. Numeral adjectives are used with countable nouns. For example, I have 3 kittens in my home. How many kittens? 3 kittens. Kittens is a countable noun, so 3 is an adjective of number. Next is, she needed some books for her project. How many books? Some books. Then, does she stand on second position? Here you will look at the second one. In what order or in what position did she stand? Second position. So this is also an adjective of number. Now, there are some adjectives which are used both as quantitative adjectives and number adjectives of number. How to differentiate between them? You will always keep in mind those two questions: how much, how many, or in what order. If you answered those questions correctly, you will easily be able to know whether that word is an adjective of quantity or adjective of number. For example, some puzzle pieces are missing. It is an adjective of number. How? It is answering how many. How many puzzle pieces are missing? Some. So it is an adjective of number. Second, she needs some confidence in herself. It is quantitative because it is answering how much confidence. She needs some confidence. Moreover, puzzle is a countable noun while confidence is an uncountable noun. You see, in both these sentences, the same word some is used, but in one sentence it is adjective of number, and in the other sentence it is adjective of quantity. Moving on, he has enough novels on his table. It is an adjective of number. Again, it is answering how many novels. Next, does he have enough data for the project? Adjective of quantity because enough is answering how much data. Enough data. He has no sense. Adjective of quantity because it is answering how much sense? No sense. And sense is an uncountable noun. He has no ticket for himself. It is an adjective of number because no is showing a number. How many tickets? No tickets. Now it is your turn. I have few sentences for you. You have to tell whether the underlined part is an adjective of number or adjective of quantity. He has 5 gifts for you. Ask the question, how many gifts? 5. So it is an adjective of number. Next, the whole method was wrong. It is adjective of quantity or quantitative adjective. Next is, she has given me much food. It is adjective of quantity or quantitative adjective. And the last one, all the boys were absent. It is adjective of number.